My name's Brock Steere. I represent the third generation at Steere Enterprises. My grandfather started our business in the basement of his house in 1949. He realized that there was a need for vinyl plastisol. He thought there'd be a lot of opportunities from a product perspective. Our first product was actually the old oval-shaped coin purses you've probably seen. Today, we make very niche air induction systems for both OEM and Tier 1 suppliers. Ford, Chrysler, General Motors are our big customers.
Working for Steere is great. I take pride in doing my job. I feel like I'm the best one doing it. One of the reasons I bought the car that I have is because I believe that I put that part on that car. It's amazing to go to car shops and just pop the hood and to see the parts that you made. I don't think there's a better feeling. It just makes you want to get up and come to work every day.
We currently operate over 300,000 square feet of space across 5 buildings on this campus. We have to run 24 hours a day, at least 5 days a week, to keep up with customer orders. With a 24/7 operation, to have all of our forklifts going at all times is really important for us. Even just one forklift down can really be a burden. With Mitsubishi, we've seen significant reduction in maintenance costs as well as downtime costs.
The average amount of pallets I move on a daily basis will be hundreds. With the smooth Mitsubishi, it makes it very easy. Come in and I ride the same one every day. The controls are very comfortable and the distance is very in reach. The wheel in my left hand, gears in my right hand, and the seat's very comfortable. Feels like it's softer, and it moves back a little further, and it has a little tilt to it.
We're constantly moving, quick turns, start, stop, and that really is the true testament of how the truck does.
It maneuvers very well. We have a lot of tight spaces in here at Steere, and getting in and out of tight spaces are not a problem.
Our lift truck drivers are our best resource in terms of how the trucks are doing, and all of them have really enjoyed using the products. It makes their job easier, and anything that makes our operators' jobs easier makes us happier, not only from a financial standpoint, but from a culture standpoint as well. The core values of our family business that my grandfather founded will never change here. Innovation, quality, and culture. We always say that we're building our company for generations to come, so our decision-making, whether it be purchasing a forklift, purchasing a business line, all of those are thinking 10, 20, 30 years out. And so for someone looking to potentially make a change, I would highly encourage them to look into the Mitsubishi brand. Our factory floor has gone through several different suppliers of trucks over the years, and this is one of the best ones we've ever had.